Here you go, buddy. And a nice little spinner on action. Whoa, watch out there. Let's get some frisbees around. Here you go, Pop. There you go, buddy. Oh, come on now. Let's go, let's go. Come on, guys. Give this dog some encouragement. Let's go. Let's go up. Come on. Let's go up. There you go. All right, Pop. Come on, buddy. Yep, there you go. Good job. All right. There you go, buddy. And spin it around again. I got the frisbee. There you go. Good job. Let's go. Ready to go. Right you go. Other way, other way. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. There you go. Good job. All right. Okay, our next dog coming out, folks. This dog is a three-legged dog. This dog comes to us from the Detroit, Michigan area. Guys, give it up for Mick. Come on out here, Mick. All right, let's go, Mick. There he is right there. Mick, come on, Mick. Let's go, get on out here. What are you doing, buddy? You a little shy today? Ready to go? Let's go, good job. Let's go, go. Come on, Mick. You can do it, you can do it. All right, Mick says he's one and done. All right. All right, next up, guys, hold on to your hats. Brand new dog of the show. Guys, we nicknamed this dog the Air Jordan of the team. You're gonna see why, folks, from Las Vegas. Give it up for BB. Come on, baby, let's go, buddy. All right. Come on, B. Show him how it's done, buddy. Watch it. Yeah. Come on, big time. Let's go. Get some air, get some air. Let's go. Up you go, buddy. Watch out. Yeah. You gotta catch that frisbee, B. Drop it. Come on, you gotta drop it. Let's go, B. Come on, buddy, you can do it. Up you go, buddy. Good job. All right. One more time. Out you go, buddy. Drop it. Let's go. Here we go. Good job, B. Up you go, big time. Good job. All right. Give it up for BB, guys. Good job. All right. Hey, last but not least, 28 pounds of dynamite, guys. 2-year-old blue heather from Vegas. Give it up for Kip. Come on out here, Kip. Yeah, let's go, buddy. Here we go. Come on, Kip. You can do it. Whoa. You forgot something. Let's go, Kip. One more time. Let's go. Go. Oh, Kip, you can do it. Watch out. Hey, Kip. Hey. Good job. All right, Kip. Come on, quit messing around. Quit messing around, Kip. We got things to do. We got places to go, Kip. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Get on down here. Let's see if we can try something, guys. Check this out right here. I should go, hey, out. Kip. Drop it. Hey, it's right to go. Here we go. Let's go. Stay. Up we go. Drop it. All right, let's go, Kip. One more catch. How'd you go, buddy? Drop it. Let's go, buddy. Up we go. Good job. Right, good job. Guys, give it up for Kip. Let's see it for him. Good job. All right, Kip. Let's go, buddy. You can go now. Let's go. Hey. Get in there. All right, good job. Folks, we're going to put these dogs up. We're going to see them a little bit later on in the show. But first, I want to know right now, how are we doing today, California? Welcome to the California State Fair and Jump the Ultimate Dog Show. My name is Lou Mock, and those last 4 dogs you just saw right there. Let's see. We have Poppy, we have Mick, we have BB, and the very last dog was Kip. Guys, give those dogs a big round of applause. Let's hear it for them. All right. You guys are a good audience. Well, folks, we're going to try to have fun for the next 20 to 25 minutes. We're going to give you guys a demonstration of three of the coolest canine sports that is literally sweeping the nation. That is, those incredible dock diving dogs, those incredible high jumping dogs, and those incredible high flying frisbee catching dogs. When it started and how it started. We're going to bring you the 70s, mid to the 80s. We're going to bring you right through the 90s, right up to the present, new millennium. Also going to throw in a little music montage from each and every year. See if Mom and Dad, I think I remember some of those tunes are playing way back when. So guys, sit back, relax, and let's have some fun. Now, the sport of canine frisbee first started all the way down at the Rose Bowl down in Pasadena, California in the early 70s. The idea was they had 1 dog and 1 frisbee. They threw as far as they could, from end zone to end zone. They had 2 judging categories back then. Leaping ability, how hard could the dog get in the air, and style. What kind of style did the dog have while the dog was in the air? Guys, they packed in 50,000 people to see a dog catch a piece of plastic. Can you believe that? Well, this next dog coming out here, try to give you guys an idea of what's going on down at the Rose Bowl. Considered to be one of the coolest little frisbee catching dogs around today. As he will show you guys a little bit later on in the show. But first, he just wants to come out and perform a couple of silly pet tricks to some of these tunes from the 70s. Guys, from Las Vegas, give it up for Bouncing Bo. Come on, Bo. All right. Yeah, there he is right there. Guys, Bouncing Bo, he is a beautiful 10.5, that's right, 10.5-year-old. Black and white border collie adopted out of the Las Vegas, Nevada area. He's been there, he's done that, but as I said before, he just likes to perform silly pet tricks, like stand behind legs, spinning around, and just saying hi to everybody. Now, guys, we're just gonna warm this old man up with a couple of silly pet tricks, and then we're gonna see if we can step it up as we move forward, all right? Again, 10.5 years old, tough right here to get this boy to do anything anymore. Let's go, Bo. Come on, let's go, we go, right here. Let's go. Push stiffen around, let's go, ready? All right, here we go. Silly pet trick number 1. Ready? Let's go, ready, let's go. Let's go, step up and stay, stay, stay. Stay, 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 stay. Come on, guys, get the ball ready. Let's see it for him, come on. All right, how about a reverse? Back it up, beep, 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 beep. Come on, back it up, beep. Get tired, beep, all right. Hey, let's see if we can step this up a notch, guys. How about in reverse around my body? Ready? 1 and a 2. Come on, let's go. Pick it up, pick it up. Let's go. Turn, turn, turn. Hello, hello. Bo, come on, let's go. Turn, turn. Come on, turn. I want to turn, Bo. Turn, 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 turn. Come on, give it up a Bo. Good job. All right, let's see if we can step this up. Come on, let's go. Quit messing around. Let's go. We go. How about weaving through my legs? Very, very simple stuff, but guys. Now this dog like to go forward. Let's go through. But how about in reverse, guys? Check it out. Let's go back through. Let's go back through. Let's go back through. One more time, guys. Give it up for Bo. Good job. All right. Here we got one more trick, guys. Check this out right here. We're going to put Bo right there. I'm going to turn my hat backwards, and you, guys, are going to help me out and make some noise out there. Come on, guys. Make some noise. Stay right there, Bo. Stay, stay, stay. Let's go up. Let's go up. Pick up, pick up. Yeah. One more time, guys. Give it up for bouncing Bo. All right. Yeah, way to go, Bo. Good job. Guys, we're going to see Bo a little bit later on in the show, but first, I want to right now, let's see some hands out there. Who has a dog at home? Anybody got a dog at home, mate? Pretty much everybody has a dog. Now, the bigger question is, who has adopted their dog from a local animal shelter? Not enough, guys. You know, we like to travel around and educate folks on the importance of pet adoption, as all the dogs that I see in today's show have been either rescued or adopted from various animal shelters, like our next dog coming out right now. Again, it's gonna be Mick. Come on out here, Mick, yeah. All right, again, Mick, beautiful 3.5-year-old black and white border collie, adopted out of the Detroit, Michigan area, folks. He only has 3 legs, right? Folks, listen to this story, true story. Now, we rescued Mick, naturally, guys. He was hit by a car. He was amputated before he came to us. Guys, this dog was so depressed, he would not come out of his paper about 2 or 3 weeks. Now, he watched other dogs play Frisbee. He taught himself how to walk, how to run, how to catch a Frisbee. Guys, we like to think that any dog has the potential to be an incredible dog with the proper exercise, proper training, and excellent nutrition, big, small, young, or old, or handicapped like Mick. Folks, let's see if we get this dog to catch one more Frisbee. But guys, you gotta make some noise for Mick. Come on, guys, make some noise out there. All right, Mick, you can do it, buddy. Let's go, ready, go. Let's go, go, go. Let's go, 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 go. Come on, Mick, you can do it, you can do it. Yeah, all right. So, guys, get on down to your local animal shelter and make a friend for life. One more time, guys. Give it up for Mick. Let's hear it for him. All right, yeah. All right, moving right along. Let's see some hands again. Who has a small dog? Anybody got a small dog? What kind of dog you have, sir? There you go. Anybody else got a small dog? Yes, Malcolm? What kind of dog you have, Mal? There you go. Who has a small dog over here? Yell it out. What kind of dog you have, Mal? What kind of dog you have? What kind of dog you have? All right. What kind of dog do you have, Mal? Can you not hear what I'm saying? No? That's all about. Those are all great small dogs, but guys, check out our small dog coming out right now. Yeah, all right, there we go.
Oh my God.
Small dog. All right, guys, this is Bubba. Bubba is a beautiful 7.5-year-old. What is he? I was gonna say a Chihuahua. He's a Chinese hairless crescent. He comes to us from the Dallas Purebred Rescue Group. And guys, Bubba was born like this without any hair or fur. So we have to slap the sunscreen in this guy every single day. Guys, listen to this story. This is a true, honest, goodness story that I think you folks will enjoy. So listen up! True story. I doubt this dog not too long ago brought him home. Set his crate down table, open it up, like shot straight for a Frisbee. 2 hours of that, this dog catching 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Frisbees in a row. 2 hours of that, this dog doing a complete backflip, as I will show you guys in a second. 2 weeks out, 2 weeks out. This dog doing this very trick right here, California. Check this out. Pretty cool stuff. So guys, if you're ready at 1 and a 2, guys, give it up for a little Bubba, yeah! Whoa, 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 whoa. One more time, guys. Let's see it for a little Bubba. Come on now, yeah! All right, guys, we get through messing around. We're gonna see if we can step this show up a notch, if you can believe that. We're gonna move right to the 90s, right to the new millennium. With the music, with techno, and the tricks, well, they got very, very difficult, as you're about to see, so we try to do. We're trying to end our Frisbee next segment with this next dog coming out right now. Guys, this next dog coming out is one of the coolest trick dogs around today. Many, many hot time shows, been there, done that. Now again, if you see something you like out here, tell me for it, make some noise, you can holler. This next dog coming out right now definitely feeds off your plow. So folks, One more time, give it up for little Kip. Come on, Kip, let's go, buddy. Yeah, there he is right there. Little Kip. Guys, check it out. He's got 2 tricks, and 2 tricks only he wants to show up to you guys. Trick number 1 for all of you, let me see here, all you young gymnasts, all you young tumblers, you guys are gonna like this right here. How about walking upside down from A to B, guys? I'm on, and a 2. Come on, guys, make some noise for Kip out there. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, come on. There we go, good job. All right, let's go. Come on, let's go, Kip. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Trick number 2, guys. Now he's been watching Bubba doing the handstand. He's gonna give it a go, guys. This is pretty impressive for this size dog right here. So guys, if you're ready, here we go. Come on, and a 2. Come on, guys, give her Kip it there, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on, guys, give him a Kip. Let's hear it for him, yeah. All right, good job, guys. Hey, what are right now? Are we having fun yet? Okay, guys, come on now, help me out. I said, are we having fun yet? Man, I know it's hot out here. So you guys are a good audience, so let's keep the fun going. Guys, our next event, you've seen this on TV, ESPN, NBC. You're gonna see a lobster person right at the jump show. It's called dock diving. Folks, this is a lot of fun, as you're about to see. The idea is all to get down this 40-foot ramp as fast as possible. Lots of Celsius pool of water, where you measure the front of the nose as the dog enters the water. Guys, here's what we're gonna do. We got 1 dog today. We're gonna do best at 3 jumps. Best at 3 jumps. Now remember, so a lot of you folks cheer, hoot, and holler. The faster, higher, and longer this dog's gonna jump. So on the count of 3, let's see how much noise you guys can make. Ready to go? 1, 2, 3! That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys, let's bring out a dock diving dog. You just saw this dog, guys. Give it up for little Kip. Come on, Kip. Let's go, buddy. All right, guys, here we go. All right, Kip, come on. Always killing those frisbees. Come on, get on up here, guys. We're gonna put Kip up, guys. We're gonna explain to you what you folks are looking at up here. So give me a second and put this boy up. Out you go, buddy. All right, now, guys, this is a regulation setup. The dock, 5 feet high, 5 feet wide, 40 feet long. The dock's approximately 24 inches above the water. The pool, 4 feet deep, 12 feet wide, 40 feet long. Folks, the equation of dock diving, ramp speed plus elevation equals maximum distance, similar to human long jumping as in the Olympics. And one more thing, guys, you're gonna see me using a frisbee as the dog's motivator. We call these motivators because that's what motivates these dogs to get down the ramp and into the water. So guys, there you have it. Again, best out of 3 jumps. Jump number 1, guys. Again, little Kip, 2-year-old. And guys, we're gonna see if we can hold Kip down here long enough where I can back up to the opposite end and then set this boy off. So guys, here we go. Jump number 1. All right, Kippy, let's go, buddy. Here we go. All right, now we're gonna set Kip up right about there. We're gonna back up nice and slow. We don't want this guy to chew right there. Come on, California, help me out and make some noise, guys. Make some noise out there, guys. Kip, stay right there, buddy. All right, stay right there. Stay right there, buddy. Let's go. Come on, Kippy. Let's go, buddy. Yeah, all right. Not too bad, guys. 21 feet. Come on, give it up for Kip, guys. Good job, yeah. Jump number 1, guys. Here we go. Jump number 2. All right. This boy seems to get further and further every single jump. All right, guys. Let me see. Ramp speed plus elevation equals maximum distance. All right. Let's see if we can get Kip to put all 3 of those together and bust out a big move, guys. So here we go. Jump number 2. All right, Kip. Let's go. Let's see if we can better 21 feet. Ready, Kip? Let's go, buddy. Here we go. All right, again, we're gonna back up nice and slow. Again, California, you guys are gonna help me out. Make some noise, guys. Come on, here we go. Let's go. Yeah. Stay right there, Kip. Always creeping up. Stay right there. He knows better. Stay right there, buddy. All right. Stay right there. Let's go. Come on, Kippy. Let's go, buddy. Oh, yeah. All right. About a 21 and a half. Guys, one more time. Let's hear it for Kip. Come on, guys. Good job. All right, here we go, guys. Last attempt. Now, 21 and a half feet so far, guys. Remember, ramp speed plus elevation equals maximum distance. Again, Kip, 2-year-old, the blue healer, guys. Let's see if we can put all 3 of those together and bust out a big jump, guys. So here we go. Last jump, jump number 3. All right, Kippy, let's go, buddy. Here we go. We're gonna see if we can hold this guy down here long enough. Sit for me, right there, good job. All right, guys, here we go. Jump number 3, one more time. Come on, make some noise, guys. Make some noise, guys. Here we go. Let's go. Come on, Kippy. Let's go, buddy. Right there, yeah. One more time, guys. Give it up for little Kip. Let's hear it for a 28-pound dog. One more time, guys. Give it up for Kip. Let's hear it for him. Good job. All right. Hey, guys, we got one more event we want to showcase to you, folks. Don't go anywhere, guys. Give me a second to put Kip up, and we'll wrap this up. So here we go. Kip, how'd you go, buddy? All right, guys, our last event. You may have seen this on ESPN, NBC. Guys, you're going to see it live in person right here at the jump show. It's called K9 Step Up or High Jump. Hey, this is a lot of fun. As you're about to see, but guys, give us a second as we set up our equipment, and I'll explain the rules of the game. K9 Step Up or High Jump. Now, the undisputed dogs will negotiate a series of jumps. We're going to start out at 40 inches. We're going to raise the bar 4 inches at a time. Again, give us a second to set this up, and we will move right along, okay? Now remember, the louder you folks cheer, hoot, and holler. Again, the faster and higher this dog's gonna jump. So once again, on the count of 3, let's see how much noise you guys can make. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. You guys are hanging in there. So far, so good, guys. Hey, our high jumping dog, check this out, folks. This dog is currently ranked number 5 high jumping dog in the world today. At one time, guys, this dog held the world's record of 73 inches, folks, from Vegas. Give it up for Taz. Come on, Taz. Let's go, buddy. Yeah, all right. There he is. He just looks like a high jumping dog, right, folks? He is a 3-year-old border collie with a mix. And folks, this dog is a high jumping machine, as you're about to see, all right, guys? But folks, you got to give this dog some encouragement. Make some noise, guys. Here we go. We are off, and we are jumping, guys. Here we go, yeah. It's all about the fast, and it is all about the furious, guys. Again, Taz, 3-year-old border collie with a mix. All right, we're just going to keep it going up here as fast as we can go right here. Now, I'm going to